Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, you watching Research Rocks, and today we will see unboxing related on Rode Wireless Go Mic 2. And this Rode mic price around 140 euro in Danish krona, 850. I'm buying this mic in Power Store located on Copenhagen. We will see inside the box which types of product they are providing me. The box is empty now. So they are providing me this cable for the fix out your DSLR or mobile phone. The magic booklet, using this booklet you can understand properly. The pouch, put it here and you can carry wherever you want. Safety, and this is a voice filter too. And here is our product. And some cables also. Perfect. So here C-type cable they are providing, but using if you are using Mac or some Windows laptop, so they are also providing C port. So using this port you can charge here, we can fix out here if you want fix properly here like this, and very easily remove also. And simply, for example, I put it here. So now record very easily wireless. This is a product. Here Rode logo is available here. You can open it, you can remove this one, but I just keep it here. Mic you can fix out here, and then put it your third party device like in DSLR. I will show you how to fix out in DSLR. I just simply start this one. So wireless go is on. What is a receiver? So now this is a receiver. So using here you can fix out very properly in your DSLR like this. And this cable you can put it here, and here in your DSLR you can fix out, and that's it. You can ready to record. You just put it somewhere else, and using this mic you can record very easily. As it is, you can use your iPhone also and record voice. If you are a YouTuber and you are making good content, good quality voice videos, so this product is quite amazing as a my point of view. That's why I'm buying this Rode mic. Earliest I'm also using the same Rode mic, but this one is a wired. Now I need to buy wireless, so that point of view I'm buying this Rode mic for the wireless. You already listen the voice, which types of voice they are recording using this product. If you like, you can buy, otherwise you can purchase also this wires mic. This wire mic price around 5,000 INR, and this one price around in India currently like 15,000 around. So which one you like and which one is affordable for your budget, accordingly you can buy. If you like this unboxing and review video related on the Rode mic, so please hit the bell icon and press subscribe button. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.